it does kink. As you can see, it really does a good job just gliding. And the surface is actually very big. So we've got our hanger, we've got our crevice attachment, we have our hair bristles brush, we have a little stand so you can attach these on. That's pretty neat. You get a smaller brush. This one looks to be rug brush. And finally the hose. The hose doesn't necessarily feel very high quality. I mean, if I compared my original, it's 35 feet. It also comes at 30-foot lengths. It's actually very light, like extremely light. I would say 1/3 as light as the old cleaners. Let's see what else we've got. Oh yeah, very, very light. Here is the handle. There is an on and off switch, which my old one currently does not have. And this is the attachment where all the accessories go in. And the final piece is the telescoping handle, which is about the same weight as the original, but this comes out. So you pull this down and then it extends. So that's quite convenient. So you also receive this attachment to hold your accessories as you're vacuuming. So you want to face these upward and then click this on to here, like this. One always has to remain plugged in, like so. So then what you end up with is the ultimate cleaning. So then as you're vacuuming, all the accessories are moving with you. So that is actually also very convenient. It does have this sort of attachment at the end to ensure that when you yank the hose, you yank this plastic piece and then not the hose itself. So we'll see how long this lasts. This was about 130 bucks on Amazon Prime, and it should be universal. So let's plug this into our old Central Vac and see if it works. So it does not turn on, but maybe I have to turn it on in the handle. So it's off. Let's see if it turns on. It works. The suction is alright. Like, I can't lift my hand. And clearly it's so there is some sort of a, okay, there's a hole here, close it, okay, and it's a little better now. It's a little better. Let's put the attachment on, press this in and then push it, there it goes. So this is how to lock it, and to release you press and then you pull. I can still hear air escaping right around here. You can see this little ring here. I don't understand why it's here, honestly. It's no more louder than my previous vacuum. It's actually quieter when you hold it from here. So the vacuum seems to be long. actually like that the handle is just a little longer. You can reach in quite far in, which is nice. And it actually folds on wood, so that's good. It really does a good job just gliding. And the surface is actually very big, so I quite like that. And it twists all the way around, and you can quite maneuver it quite easily. So it does kink, as you can see. You can feel the suction right here, the vibrations. So how easily is this going to bust? I don't know. But clearly it's kinking. When you mount it, it hangs right there off of those two. You wrap the hose around, and what I did is I added an additional sort of like hook on the bottom, so that way I have a full. So this way I can just kind of wrap it around and it doesn't fling all over the place. And then I hook this guy right on top there. And it's nicely tucked away. Alright, so this vacuum is by Vacuum Parts Canada. We grabbed this on Amazon for $139.99 Canadian, and it was prime. Only time will tell if this performs. What do you say, kitty? Do you like the hose? Do you like the hose? Yes, I think she does like the hose. So there you go. It comes with natural hair bristles. It comes with natural hair bristles. It comes with ceramic. It comes with ceramic and hardwood brush. And it is crush-proof hose apparently, so only time will tell if this stays intact. I do like this little piece right here. When you insert this into your central vacuum, it sort of locks in place, so you can't turn it. My old one does not have this, and the fact that we can just pull on this instead of the hose itself also adds that longevity factor. First glance, I think this is a very good purchase. If you have a large home and you don't want to carry your old vacuum down to the basement, for example, then get yourself one of these on the main floor as well. Thanks for watching.